You know what? I was influenced, and the answer is no. The answer is no. What's up guys, welcome back to a new video. I'm Jaisha and I'm about to try something on my hair for the very first time. Flat twists. Now what's the difference between a flat twist and a regular two-strand twist? The same difference between a cornrow and a regular braid. The real test is going to be if my results are the same and if my twist out lasts as long compared to a two-strand twist. That's really what I'm trying to figure out today. Is it going to be worth the extra time that it takes to do a flat twist that I don't know how to do? For my twist out today, I am going with my handy dandy Mayel pomegranate and honey twisting souffle. I always use this for my twist outs. And then for my setting mousse, I have the Aunt Jackie's Frizz Patrol setting mousse. Should I do a leave-in too? I almost forgot my leave-in. Kinky curly, not today. Now I am going to try to do this in the same 4 sections that I always do my hair in. I don't know if that's going to make sense for flat twists, but we'll find out. I don't think I have attempted a flat twist on my hair probably since I was a teenager. And I feel like not even a full head of flat twist, probably just like 1 or 2, and I just remember it being a mess, enough for it to be like my first and last time, which is weird because I know how to cornrow, and you would think flat twisting would be easier because it's only 2 instead of 3, but no. I'm trying to start with the front of my hair today instead of the back so that I can show you guys what I'm doing, but let's be clear, this is not a tutorial because like I said, I don't really know what I'm doing. It's just an attempt. I'm just trying. I think I'll be able to get it. Just applying a little bit of this twisting souffle first. I always use this when I am twisting my hair. And then going in with my setting mousse on top. Honestly, there's nothing special about this setting mousse, but in my opinion, there's nothing special about any setting mousse foam kind of thing. To me, a foam is a foam. I don't really see a difference in the difference. I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to talk through this. Wait, do I want starting with 1 piece or no? We start with 1 piece, not 2. Like this. Wait. Okay, hold on, we can do this, we can do this. Did I do it? I don't know if that's correct. Let's try again. Bad. Is my piece too small? Maybe it's too small. You get a little bit more hair in there. I added a little bit more hair. Maybe that will help. Let's start with this 1 piece, right? Hold it down. Then this. Oh, wait, mine. Maybe? Let's try another one and see how this turns out. I don't know that I'm doing this correctly. Honestly, I was inspired to do this by my girl Brandy Lachey here on YouTube. She also makes natural hair videos, and every time she does flat twist, her hair comes out so bomb and she makes it look so easy. So I'm trying to practice just to see. It's just my curiosity getting the best of me in terms of like this flat twist versus a regular 2-strand twist to see how it holds up and how my results look. But clearly I'm going to need some practice. And now she said it's all in the pointer fingers, like pointer fingers. All right, let's try again. But then, I don't know, don't I need 2 pieces? I am ready to give up. I'm ready to give up. It ain't worth it. Why? Why are we here? Why? I'm trying so hard not to be a quitter right now. All right, I can't do it. I can't do it. You know what? I was influenced, and the answer is no. The answer is no. I'm doing a 2-strand twist. I'm just going to stick to what I know. I hate to be a quitter. I know I need to practice to actually get better at it, but right now I'm just about practicality, and I don't want to spend more time doing my hair. Like I just don't like spending a lot of time having to do my hair. And I feel like even if I do know how to 2-strand twist, it just seems like it would be longer to put in a 2-strand twist than it would to do this right here. And it would be longer to put in a flat twist than it would to just 2-strand twist like this. Real quick, simple, round and round, done. It's sort of worth it to spend a little bit longer doing my hair if I know the results are going to carry me for the next few days. Like if I'm going to get a week's worth of wear out of a style, sure, I'll spend a little bit more time doing it. But I don't know that. And if I get the same 2 days out of the flat twist out that I would get when I do a 2-strand twist out, definitely not worth the struggle. And the weird thing is that I know how to cornrow, but I don't know why flat twists bring me so much grief, trouble. I don't know why it's so complicated for me to get it. I'm not even gonna say I'm an expert cornrow with my cornrows anyway. Like my cornrows aren't that great. They're good enough to put under a wig or a hat or something, but I mean, nah, I can do a bit of fun. I can do it a little bit. But the flat twists, this is just way easier to me. You guys tell me if you know how to flat twist. How did you learn? You're probably gonna say practice, but also, do you prefer a flat twist over a 2-strand twist? What differences do you notice in your results, in how the style lasts, and how long it takes compared to a regular 2-strand twist? Should I try again? I don't know how I just got influenced and then uninfluenced so quickly. No, but honestly, I had been wanting to try flat twist for a little while now. Like I had been saying I was gonna make an attempt at seeing if I could do it, and I'm like, you know, practice makes perfect. I have to try it to see if it's actually going to work and if I can do it. And then, like, you know, of course, once I start thinking about it, a whole bunch of videos start popping up of girls flat twisting their hair. So I'm like, this is a sign. Let me try to flat twist my hair. And still ended up doing 2-strand twists. They make it look so easy. And I guess when you know how to do it, it just is that easy. If I know I could do it if I really put my mind to it. The thing is, I don't want to put my time to it. Now, a flat twist does kind of seem like it could give you a little bit more definition just because of the way it's wrapped to your scalp, kind of, I guess. A little bit tighter, and the takedown seems like there's a little bit less separation, which could give you less frizz. So maybe the style could last a little bit longer. I don't know, but I guess I'm not gonna find out today. So I failed at my attempt at flat twisting. I just ended up with my regular 2-strand twists that I know how to do very well. And I'm just gonna sit under my hooded dryer so that they can dry, and I will be back for the takedown. Okay, the twists are fully dried, and I'm just gonna start taking them down. I must say, I'm a little disappointed that I couldn't figure out the flat twists. Am I gonna try again? Probably not. For me, I'm just not in a place where I care to learn how to do new things with my hair. I feel like that would have been something I had to have learned, you know, when I was younger and I had time to practice and I was still learning my hair and figuring out what to do with it. I don't know, man. I'm just not, I don't think, I would say if I was trying like if I was trying like maybe doing 2 flat twists, you know, either like just across in the front of my head or like 2 going back, I would say I could give that some practice and I could try. But to have to flat twist my whole head when I could just 2-strand twist it, I don't know if that's in my future. Honestly, I don't even know that this was a good week for me to choose doing twists at all because it's getting so cold and I think it's gonna rain. I don't know, but there was definitely a little bit of snow last night, just a little dusting, and I just feel like my wash and goes hold up better when it's windy or cold or snowing. They hold up better than a twist out does. I feel like a twist out will get frizzier quicker, and my wash and go has like a little bit more structure, probably, I'm guessing from the gel. Like when I have a wash and go, I'm not worried about anything really affecting my hair. If I have a wash and go, I'm not worried about the humidity, I'm not worried about the wind, I'm not worried about the rain. Like, I know my hair is good. The twists came out beautifully. Very happy with my results. I've actually never used this combination before, the leave-in curl cream and this foam together, but I think it makes a great combination. Actually, I don't have any flaking. My hair is very defined, very moisturized, which is why I didn't even bother putting any oil on my hair to do the separation, because I was like, I feel like my hair has a lot of moisture in it right now. So it feels good, it looks good. Happy with my results. If you want to see a real tutorial for how to flat twist, I will leave a link to one, because this certainly was not a tutorial, and I'm not a flat twister. I don't know. Hope you found this video entertaining nonetheless and you enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my experimental shenanigans, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.